So we're into our last chapter of T6.1 camper spec donor chassis. These are the last we're going to see that are 100% Volkswagen, and the chassis is built in Germany. These are awesome and they're going to be future classics for sure. We always order our vehicles super high spec from the factory. So we've got LED lights, swivel seats, heated seats, nav. The spec is massive before we even start. And these vehicles are available as long wheelbase slippers or our famous Chesil conversion, which is my favourite. The Chesil has 3 seats in the back with Isofix fittings. It's 130 centimetres wide, so for a couple sleeping on this bed, it feels so much bigger than 112 centimetres, which is in the slipper. We've got 12 of these chassis available, and once they're gone, that's the last of our long wheelbase camper stock. So if you're interested or thinking of buying a new transporter over the next 6 to 12 months, you should really be thinking about these. The spec is so good before we even start, and I really feel this is such a good use of space. We register the vehicle as a motorhome. They come with a full 3-year warranty, and they're built to our whole vehicle type proof standards. In short, it means that we've crash tested the seat and exactly how these vehicles are built, and we're also audited by the VCA to make sure that each and every one of our vehicles is built to the very best standards.